this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP Envy 6075 printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber door. So lift it from this side, hold the printer with the other hand. Once you hear a lock sound, we are ready to change the ink cartridges. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber, open the lock, it's very easy, and take the ink cartridge out. Now take the new ink cartridges and place black ink cartridge on the black side. Simply slide it in and close the lock. Same way do it for the color ink cartridge. Now we have installed the ink cartridges. The next thing is to close the ink cartridge chamber. So press it down, hold it with the other hand and close it. Now we are ready to use this printer.